All right, so I got me a pretty nice. Well, to me, it's a pretty nice project. Little trying to repair some frame rails on a '85 Monte Carlo, and I just started on it. I got me some of the old rust cut out of it, so and I still got a ways to go, but I got a little. Go ahead and show you what progress I've made, and yeah, I'll kind of give you a little. Dang it. Yeah, so as you can see here, you can see the hole I've already cut out. So I don't know how well you can see that, but it's kind of dark under there. And then once I get that, I'm going to move back to seeing what I can do on this. And that's pretty bad. That's probably the worst of it right there. And I got some of this 2x4 tubing. Just I got like 8 foot of it that I'm going to use to fabricate something up to strengthen this and replace rotten, rusted metal. So yeah, I'll keep you posted on keep this going and bring you along the way.